Unraveling the dubbing magic, script to screen symphony. Script selection. Handpick a script that aligns with the taste of your target audience. Translation magic. Transform the script into a new language, capturing not just words but the essence of the narrative. Casting vibes. Choose voice actors who embody the spirit of the original characters. Recording odyssey. Capture voice actors infusing life into characters with impeccable emotion and timing. Lip sync mastery. Sync dubbed audio seamlessly with the lip movements of the original actors. Edit mix symphony. Eliminate background noise and imperfections. Quality check. Ensure the dubbed content preserves the original intent. Finalization's grandeur. Craft the ultimate master copy for distribution. Distribution. Unleash the dubbed creation through appropriate channels. Viewer feedback. Encourage audience feedback on the quality of the dubbing. For more info, follow @Microcode Software.